Hey y'all, today we have a bit of a Barbie haul. I went to Sherry's doll show in Buena Park, California, and today we got this Mackie Barbie. She was only 25 bucks, so just love all this detail. So many sequins, there's like a million beads, and her hairdo. What? Wow. She's really pretty. Yeah. I really got her for the outfit, but these dolls are actually sewn into them. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it off. I didn't pay a lot, so it might be worth it just to try. I mean, I might lose a few beads, but yeah, we're gonna try to put this on vintage Barbie. We also got our Cruella de Vil outfit. It comes with this tiny little cigarette, and it also comes with this nice fur stole and these red sunglasses. She's really cute. Has some polka dots and these little details. There's another little fur muff there. Yeah, I love that little outfit. It's from the Cruella de Vil doll from 101 Dalmatians from the 2000s movie. So these are some of the other outfits that I got. This is California Dreaming Barbie. So I really like this outfit. It's from the 80s and it's really cute. It's got this crazy 80s polka dots and all these little fun images of what movie things in California, I guess. Yeah. And it also came with her little palm tree earrings. So cute. And her yellow shoes. So cute. And so this is another outfit I got. All these are actually $1 each. So I got a really good deal. This is it's called Dinner at 8. And it's like a little overdress. So she had like this orange little pantsuit, and this would go on top. Kind of a 60s, yeah, early 60s dress. Super shiny. Oh my god. I just love this fabric, so cool. This one I paid 10 bucks. Yeah, a really good deal. This is a cute little outfit. It's a cool purple western number. She's got these kind of purple Native American detail and shimmer. And then, I don't know if this skirt goes with it, but it looks like it could. Silver. Yeah. That's a cute little outfit. I also put this one together. These are $1 each. With this nice little shimmery jacket. Love this color. These are like my favorite. Iridescent. Anything iridescent in there. And this little, beach number. Very tropical. Oh yeah, it has this little glitter in it. Pretty. I think some of our last outfits are this little bandana western number. I love this little cute outfit, and it has a little heart detail. This is only $1. So cute. And I also got this one for $1. It's a hairstylist Barbie outfit. Yes. She doesn't have a blow dryer, so yeah, she does. Yes. Oh, I'm also a hairstylist, so this is perfect. I love it. A couple more things we got inside here are, let's see, Budweiser. So we got one in pink, one in silver, and then a blue one. Anyway, we had a silver one like this you saw at the beginning of the video. And then we also have this little cat eye silver glasses and this 80s pair. Very cute. So our last thing we got was this little train hat case. It's a little faded from the sun. Might be able to wash it off, I don't know. But I just liked it. This is Barbie. Yeah, it could go on the shelf in her closet. Little decoration. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, y'all. Awesome. Oh. Alright, y'all. So this is her little booklet that I opened up. And it says, "She arrives in great splendor. Her dazzling beauty makes the world bright and warm. Birds greet her with song. Butterflies dance and festivals are held in her honor. She is goddess of the sun, Barbie. She approaches, her radiant beauty is almost overwhelming. Light seems to emanate from thousands of shiny hand-sewn sequins and beads on her costume, with encrusted beading and sequins that crisscross the bodice, then swirl down the skirt and encircle the hem. She is a dazzling golden fantasy." Yes, she is. Some may say she rides a chariot across the sky like ancient gods. Others say she sails in a golden boat. She comes to us from a time of mystery and magic and the bold imagination of the world-famous fashion designer Bob Mackie. He looks so young there. Befitting? Ooh, what does it say? Befitting a sun goddess, Barbie doll has a resplendent collar that rises like flames around her. Golden embroidery outlines each flame, and a border of embroidery encloses sequins and beads that flicker in the center, echoing the radiance of her gown. Every bead, every sequence in her entire ensemble is sewn on by hand, and the gown is sewn to Barbie for a perfect fit. So it's not only the costume that makes her a sun goddess. Bob Mackie has seen that every detail contributes to her otherworldly look. Her hair is colored an unusual golden color, then swept up into 3 curls. Let's see. Above, a magnificent headpiece accented with 2 golden rhinestones. Delicate gold tone earrings in the shape of the sun. Dangle near her face. Her skin is a golden tan. 2 shades of green seem to give her eyes a penetrating quality, as if she sees everything on earth and in the sky, while her subtle smile lets the world know how everything is right for one more day. That's cute. Who but Bob Mackie could capture the radiance of the sun so magnificently? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.